In this short video, we're going to learn about your workflow dashboard inside Financial Sense. Your workflow dashboard is where you can easily track the status of client work, who's working on what, and all your important deadlines in one place. This is the first thing you see when you log into Financial Sense. As you can see here, I have the ability to see all the work going on across my firm, the status of that work, the progress to being completed, what client it is for, and all my important deadlines, as well as who is assigned that work and currently working on it. This helps you keep a status on everything so nothing ever slips through the cracks. As an owner, you have the ability to see everyone's work in this view. But as a team member, you will only have the ability to view your work unless given specific permissions by the owner to do so. Now, one really powerful part about Financial Sense is our workflow filters that you can see up here. These give you a more granular visibility to track specific types of work. So as your firm grows, you might have a lot of work in this view, or even just a lot of work on your plate. You can use the filters to declutter your view and focus on what matters most. For example, you can filter for specific work type, like tax work, by typing it into the search bar here, or monthly bookkeeping work. You can also use additional filters to stack on each other or just use them as on their own. For example, you can filter by due date period just to view work this week or this month or due today. You can view by specific team members, so I can just view Abdullah's work, or I can just view my work that is assigned to me. You also have the ability to view works by client. So if a client calls, you can quickly search for their name and see the work for that specific client that you're working on and get a status update. Another powerful filter inside Financial Sense is your tax filter. This is probably your most popular filter. Here you can create custom filters to fit your process. A lot of people like to use these for statuses or priorities of work. You can create as many tags as you want and color code them to fit your process. Lastly, you can customize this view, the order of these columns, or add different information by clicking the gear icon here. Here I can take off the start date or internal due dates, or I can drag them in different orders. And last but not least, if you want to view all this information in Excel, you can easily export it by hitting the export button here and manipulate the data. And that is your workflow view, where you can easily track the status of client work and prevent things from slipping through the cracks.